Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English with English Learning Podcast with Adam and Sarah. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, ordering food at a restaurant.
Oh yes, everyone loves food. And when you travel or eat out, you need to know how to order food in English.
Exactly. It's something you'll use all the time, in cafes, restaurants, or even when ordering takeaway.
Let's start with what usually happens when you go to a restaurant. The waiter or waitress will say something like, "Hello! How many people?" Or, "Do you have a reservation?"
Right. And you can reply with, "Table for two, please." Or, "Yes, I have a reservation under Sarah."
Then they'll show you to your table and give you the menu. The waiter might say, "Here's your menu. Can I get you something to drink?"
And you can answer with something like, "Yes, I'd like some water," or "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Perfect. Remember to always say please and thank you. It sounds polite.
Let's do a short example dialogue to show how it works.
Sure. I'll be the waiter and you be the customer.
Okay.
Good evening. How many people?
Table for two, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some orange juice, please.
Of course. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
I'm ready. I'll have the grilled chicken with rice.
Great choice. And for dessert?
I'll take the chocolate cake.
Excellent. Thank you. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Nice job, Sarah. That was a perfect example of polite and simple ordering.
Thanks. And listeners, you can use the same sentences anywhere. Just remember to smile and be polite.
Let's go over some useful phrases. Table for two, please. To ask for a table. Can I have, please? To order something politely. Are you ready to order? The waiter asks this. I'm ready to order. You can say this when you decide. That's all. Thank you. When you finish ordering.
Perfect. And after you finish eating, the waiter might ask, "Would you like anything else?" Or, "Can I get you the bill?"
Right. And you can say, "No, thank you. Just the bill, please."
Then they'll bring your bill or check, and you can pay.
Let's do one more quick conversation. This time, I'll be the customer and you be the waiter.
Sounds good. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How many people?
Just one, please.
Here's your menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have the chicken sandwich and fries.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
That's it. Very easy and polite.
Exactly. Ordering food in English is simple once you know these small sentences. Let's do a quick recap. Greet the waiter, say how many people. Order drinks and food using I'd like, or can I have, please. Be polite. Say please. And thank you.
Ask for the bill when you're finished.
Perfect summary, Sarah.
Thank you. And listeners, your homework today is to imagine you're in a restaurant and practice ordering your favorite meal in English.
Yes. Say it out loud. I'd like a pizza and a cola, please.
That's a great start.
All right. That's all for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Don't forget to follow Easy English with English Learning Podcast with Adam and Sarah for more episodes like this. And share with yours friend.